How many times have you checked a security feed only to see a blurry, unrecognizable face? Many brands promise 4K quality, but use cheap sensors that fail the moment the sun goes down. We tested the best 5 security cameras based on resolution, night vision, and storage costs. Stay tuned to see which one truly catches the details. All product links are in the description. Please continue watching the video. Let's get started. Number 5. Ring Indoor Cam, 2nd Gen. Ever left home wondering if you remember to turn off the stove or if your pet is behaving? We have all been there. The Ring Indoor Cam provides that missing peace of mind. This compact device records in sharp 1080p HD, ensuring you see every detail clearly. Its standout feature is the manual privacy swivel cover, which physically blocks the lens and microphone when you want personal time. Setup is quick via a standard power outlet, and the two-way talk allows you to chat with family or calm your dog from your phone. While it requires a subscription for cloud storage, the reliable motion alerts and night vision more than make up for it. This is ideal for apartment renters or small business owners needing reliable indoor monitoring. If you want dependable security that respects your privacy, check the link below and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 4. GMK CG6. Imagine seeing your yard in vivid color, even at midnight. These GMK wireless cameras offer stunning 2K resolution, ensuring every detail is sharp. Since they are battery-powered, you can set them up in minutes without messy cables. The IP65 weatherproof rating means they handle rain or snow effortlessly, keeping your home guarded year-round. One standout feature is the smart motion detection that sends instant alerts to your phone, while the two-way audio allows you to speak with visitors or delivery drivers remotely. For added protection, the built-in siren and flashing lights deter unwanted guests. This 4-pack is ideal for homeowners who want comprehensive coverage for their porch, garage, and backyard without a complex installation process. You can store footage on an SD card or use encrypted cloud storage for peace of mind. Check the link below to secure your home today. Number 3. Wyzec-bc. The Wyze Bulb Cam simplifies home security by fitting into a standard E26 light socket. This 2K HD camera captures clear details and features a 160-degree wide viewing angle, covering more ground than typical bulb cameras. The build feels sturdy, and the telescoping rod allows for manual pan and tilt adjustments to get the angle right. A standout feature is the 800-lumen dimmable LED, which functions as a regular smart light while providing color night vision. It supports local recording via a micros card, avoiding mandatory monthly fees. Setup is quick over Bluetooth without scanning codes. This device is ideal for renters or homeowners who want easy installation without drilling holes or wiring. It provides reliable monitoring and motion alerts directly to your phone. If you need a combined light and security solution that integrates with smart home systems, this unit is a practical and effective choice. Number 2. Wyze-cam V4. Have you ever worried about your home while away? Staying connected to your space is easier than ever. The Wyze-cam V4 delivers crisp 2.5K resolution, ensuring every detail is sharp. Its weather-resistant build handles rain or shine, while the upgraded night vision provides vivid colors in the dark. I love the motion-activated spotlight and voice warnings. They effectively deter unwanted guests. The audio is noticeably clearer now, making it great for checking on pets or talking to family. While professional cloud features require a subscription, the micro slot offers a fantastic local storage alternative without monthly fees. The Bluetooth setup is surprisingly fast too. This camera is ideal for parents, pet owners, or anyone wanting reliable surveillance without a high price tag. If you want smart, affordable security, this is a solid choice. Check the link below to see more and grab yours today. Number 1. Annke DW81 KD1-58BH. The standout feature of this Annke system is the smart dual light technology, which provides vivid color night vision instead of just grainy black and white footage. This wired setup includes 8 weather-resistant cameras rated IP67, meaning they function perfectly through heavy rain or extreme heat. Using AI, human, and vehicle detection, the system filters out false alerts caused by animals or wind, ensuring you only receive notifications for significant movement. The 3K Lite DVR comes with a 1 TB hard drive and utilizes H.265 plus compression to store more footage while maintaining smooth video playback. Installation is straightforward for homeowners wanting comprehensive coverage without monthly subscription fees. This kit is ideal for property owners needing reliable 24/7 monitoring for large outdoor areas. The build quality feels sturdy, and the remote access app stays stable during live viewing. Check the link in the description to secure your home today.